Hi, my name is Frances Gelati, and I like to make mosaics, mostly cats and dogs. And I want to show you how I put in the whiskers. This method is great, and I'll show you how to do it now. I have a central tremor, which makes me shake a lot, so you have to bear with me. Thanks. And here's some of my cats with the whiskers stuck in. And this one has soft cat gut. And the Siamese has wire. And my fox has wire. And you can move them around. And this is my latest cat with silver wire embedded. Okay, I'll show you how I do it. So you need wire, and I get it at a craft store like Joann's, and super glue and matchsticks. No, toothpicks, sorry, toothpicks. And you can use tiny pieces, but it's hard to get them in, or you can cut them in half like this, put them in, and then you can snip it when it's dry with the cutter. So first I have to drill a hole with the Dremel. Didn't have it fast enough. Okay, so I get super glue and I squirt some super glue into the hole. I'm not doing it now because it'll take too long to dry for this time. So I put the wire in, and then I put a piece of toothpick to anchor it in, like this. When it's dry, you can snip that. And I put this in here, and so you put the glue in. This already has a piece of toothpick in it, so that's fine. And where's that whisker gun? Put some glue in and then stick the wire in. And then the toothpick. So it's best to do the holes first before you mosaic. Then when you're finished mosaicing, put the whiskers in, glue them, let it dry, cut the toothpicks, and then you can cover the holes here with grout so you can't see it, like this. There's grout here, and you can bend them, position them, and trim them. So I hope this helps you, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.